Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to share to you the way how you can remove emoji from the picture with iPhone. You just need to open the photo library and you just need to pick which photo that containing the emoji. So let's pretend that this text is an emoji because the tutorial or the step is just the same. Now take on the top side of bling edit and three small dots, go click edit. Now click the pencil options in the middle one. There will be two ways. So there will be like the easiest ways by adding some shape to cover it, or you can also use the brush. Now let's just do the shape. Go click this plus button and go click add shape. The next thing you need to do is just go pick the shapes that you want to use to cover, and then you just need to like adjusting the length of the shape so they're like perfectly close to all of the emoji. Next thing you need to do is just pick the color picker with this part and use the color picker. Now you just need to pick the color that nearest with the emoji that you use so that they will be like have a camouflations. Now click done whenever you're done, so you'll see it's perfectly covered. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's meet again into other tutorial.